Welcome. In today's video, I'll show how to make a video call in a Telegram group, step by step. This is the updated method, so even if you've tried it before, stick around to learn how it works now. It's quick, easy, and perfect for team meetings, study groups, or just catching up with friends. Alright, let's start. First, open your Telegram app on your phone or computer. Make sure you're using the latest version so everything runs smoothly. Once the app is open, go straight to the group where you want to start the video call. Remember, group video calls only work in groups, not private chats. Next, tap on the name of your group at the top of the screen. This will open the group information page where all your members, media, and settings are displayed. From here, look for the three dots icon usually found in the top right corner. Tap on those three dots, and you'll see a few options pop up. Among them, you'll find one that says Start Video Chat. Go ahead and tap that. Telegram will then ask you to confirm that you want to start a video chat with your group. Just hit confirm, and within a few seconds, your video call will begin. Everyone in your group will receive a notification that the video chat has started, and they can join instantly. You can switch between your front and back cameras, mute yourself, or even share your screen while talking, just like on other calling platforms. Telegram's group video call feature is great because it's smooth, secure, and doesn't require any extra setup. You can easily manage who's speaking and even pin someone's video for better visibility. Whether it's for a business meeting or a family get-together, this feature makes staying connected so much easier. And that's it. You now know how to start a video call in any Telegram group using the updated steps. Try it out and enjoy smoother conversations with your group members. If this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to share it with others who might need it too.